Send out your invitations. You're about to have a lot more room for trail riders this bike season. Hey, it's Scott from Yakima, and we're talking about the Full Swing, our primo swing-away hitch bike carrier. It carries up to 4 bikes and fits 2-inch hitch receivers only. Out of the box, it's 2 simple pieces that install very easily. First, install the hitch piece. No need to line up holes, just insert and wait to hear the new auto pin click. Then you're on to step 2. Take the mast hardware and install it onto the hitch piece. Line up holes and drop in the bolt. Tighten the nut with the included wrench/bottle opener, then tighten the speed knob and lock it into place. If you have other Yakima gear, check out our SKS Same Key system. It's a set of lock cores that all open with a single key. And that's it. Congratulations, you're done with the install. Loading bikes is just as quick. Release the red trigger finger lever at the top of the mast and extend the premium, fully padded arms. Nothing protects your bikes better. Load bikes, heaviest bike first. Then attach the all-new ratchet-style zip strips. Then, extend the integrated locking cable over the bike frames and lock. Now check this out. The Full Swing fully swings away from your car so you can access the rear hatch even with the bikes loaded. Awesome. Simply loosen the safety knob, pull red pin, and rotate the mast 90 degrees. Extend until it clicks. And now you have all the room you need to dive into your car. To close, press the red hinge lever down, rotate the mast back until the red pin clicks into place. Tighten the safety knob, and you're back on the road quicker than a professional pit stop. And that's the Yakima Full Swing. Crack open a cold one with the integrated bottle openers for a job well done. Gear goes here, friends go here. Yakima, take more friends.